Good afternoon, everyone. So, what we will be introducing this evening is that we have completed the DJT collection NFT staking platform. What this platform does is allow you to stake your DJT NFTs, and in doing so, you earn RTT as your reward. The site is staking.opencanvas.app, and when you come to this site, you'll see here that we have the button to connect your wallet in the top right. Right here we have Earn RTT. As you can see, this gives you your payout for the lock period of your NFTs. Now keep in mind, this will lock your NFTs into the staking contract for whichever time frame that you choose. These reward amounts right here are what everybody will get. So it doesn't matter if one person stakes or all 4,500 people stake. Everybody will get the same reward amount. Now, there is the option, depending on different factors that are decided internally, that we can increase these rewards at certain given intervals. So we do have that flexibility. So this isn't 100% set in stone, but this is the bare minimum right now as we start out the staking. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to go ahead and connect our wallet. I'm using MetaMask because I'm on PC. And I'm just going to make sure that that connected to the proper wallet there. Okay, and it did. So we're going to go ahead and click over to start staking. So as you see here, I already have staked a few of my NFTs, a 3-month, a 6-month, and a 1-year. That image is slowly loading in. When you scroll down here, it's going to have unstaked NFTs. When you first get to the site, this will all be blank. There will be a tab down here that says link DJT NFT. You'll want to click on that, and you may have to refresh the page, and that will load the NFTs into the site. From there, you can either click on an individual NFT and you can stake selected, or you can select all. I'm going to go ahead and select these two right here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit stake selected. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick a 6-month lock period, and I'm going to hit stake. This does require a little bit of BNB for the gas fees to stake these in the contract. And now up here you can see transaction status updated, and right here we are locked with our NFTs. Now this is running a little slow because I've got my VPN pointed to Madrid. I'm just testing some bandwidth and latency issues. So that's about it. Once these become unlocked at these given dates, you'll be able to click on them and unlock them, and then you'll be able to claim your rewards. So again, over here it'll tell you expected reward per NFT, claimable reward at the end of the lock period, and this tells you how many NFTs that you have, how many that you have staked, and how many that are unstaked. And that's really about it. So if we go back a page to the staking.opencanvas.app, you can see here what's coming soon. Earn BNB, earn NFT. So, exciting things are coming. Please, if you have questions, reach out to the mods. There does seem to be some iOS users that are having some slight issues. We've got it narrowed down to being more of an iOS Wallet Connect issue. So, unfortunately, like I've said several times, iOS things just are hard to work around. And we have no control over iOS. So, best bet, in my opinion, is Android. But I don't expect everybody to go change your phones. Use what you like. Use what you're used to. But with that, we'll go ahead and close this out, and we can discuss more in the voice chat.